As we speak, West Indies batting legend Brian Lara is in Zimbabwe with the West Indies team in his new role as performance mentor for all the international teams as well as the academy players. Now, I think this is a bad move for Lara and his legacy. The legend basically gonna take up basket for carry water. We have seen other past West Indian greats, Clive Lloyd, Viv Richards, Malcolm Marshall, and others, all try to rescue this sinking ship and end up having to jump overboard. Yes. I mean, in all seriousness, Lara's role is obviously inspirational and motivational. But how does King Lara motivate and inspire a crop of players who cannot motivate and inspire themselves? Yes, most of the top players in the region are really not fully committed to playing for the West Indies, mainly due to the evolution of the game, where franchise cricket is much more lucrative than international cricket. And also, potential young players of today are no more into iPhones and laptops than cricket ball and bats. Quite frankly, me no know why Brian Lara gonna take up this cross span him head. Why, Lara? Why?